So to break down the test a little bit, let's take a look at what the CLEP guideline says that you need to know. You've probably taken a look at this, but having it in the video here I think helps out. So the test is about these topics and percentages. This is to give you a general idea. So for genre, you've got about 35 to 45% poetry. We're going to look at that first. You've got 35 to 45% of prose, which is going to be fiction and nonfiction. And then about 15 to 30% drama. So we're going to look at some plays in that category, and all of these together will have what we need to look at. In the national tradition, we've got about 50 to 65% of British literature and 30 to 45% of American literature. And then about 5 to 15% of works in translation. So the British literature tradition stretches way back. So that's why that has more than the American literature tradition. But I think it's also important to look at some different works in translation. And actually I put up some of this stuff in their original language because when you look at certain meters and stuff, it's always good to look at how it was originally written before you look at the translations. In terms of the periods, we've got 3 to 7% of classical and pre-Renaissance, 20 to 30% of Renaissance and 17th century, 35 to 45% of 18th and 19th centuries, and then 25 to 35% of 20th and 21st centuries. So you can see it pretty much covers everything that Western literature that we could look at. So be prepared for pretty much anything. But you could see it's kind of focused on stuff from about the 1500s on. But as it says here, we're going to touch also on the 21st century. So there might be some very modern things also.